What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It is finally the day that we've been waiting for. We are gonna reveal the basement to you. It's been going on for a long time now. We started this process like in October. There's a lot that goes into finishing a basement. Romeo and RG Signature Homes did such a beautiful, amazing job. Literally, Tiff calls it like our little VRBO down the basement because it's like, it just looks like a totally different
like a vacation home.
It is.
Down there. Can you
it
not
doesn't feel like you're in the same house.
Thank you.
It is so beautifully finished. Romeo and I kind of came up with like the concept for it. We were inspired by Finished Basements NJ, which is one of our favorite Instagram channels. Evie's gonna do this tour with us as well. Romeo did an awesome job on the layout. His attention to detail and his trim work is just like beautiful, which you'll see first thing on the stairs, which was a big thing for me. Like, I didn't want it to feel
like your lady that points.
Yeah, I didn't want it to feel like a basement, you know what I mean? So like when you go down, there's a lot of trim work on the walls right away. Tiff's pointing out our little spring here because this thing is so important for us. Kids are always leaving the doors open, and look at that. Self-closing.
Get crawling around and walking everywhere.
Yep. All right, let's do this. Lighting is a little tough right here in this hallway, but look at all that beautiful trim work. This picture framing right here, Romeo says, is pretty easy to do. It just kind of goes right on top of the drywall, but it really dresses up the whole stairway here. Speaking of the stairs, just kind of painted the tops this like dark gray color. I forget what it's called, I should have looked at that, but I know it's a bear paint, and I'll try and remember and put it on screen. We use that color kind of throughout in a few different spots, and we're thinking we might put some carpet on the stairs just because of the kids. Maybe just like a runner. What do you guys think? Alright guys, let's do this reveal. You might remember when you used to come down, you used to actually go to the right here, and they actually switched that. Come down, look at how beautiful this basement is, and look at how cute this baby and T.BEASTON are. When you first walk in, you got cute baby, puppy, and a beautiful mom.
Aw, you're so sweet.
And then this is actually a late addition, this little wet bar area. We knew we wanted something to be able to keep like drinks down here, but we didn't want like a full-on bar. It is a wet bar, meaning it has the sink.
Yeah.
Got all the golds going through here. That is not gonna stay there, right? That Alexa?
But,
we're gonna put that in the gym, I think.
They do jam out down here pretty hard.
They do.
But what I see in this area is like more of our like popcorn movie night area, because when you see the size of the television, it's pretty much like a movie theater.
Let it go, let it go.
That's what happens when you let two men pick out the TV. No, I love it. The kids really love it too. But this area I see like just being able to keep like some popcorn and candy if we get some walks on these.
Yeah.
And then we also want to put our Nespresso down here. What are we thinking for that? She got all by herself. Every girl, my goodness.
This little girl is wild.
Independent woman. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we plan on putting the Nespresso down here, and we'll probably like have, I don't know, afternoon coffees or something. We can keep creamer in there. And it's just a nice little addition. We can always build onto it. maybe even have like more of a bar area in this space as the kids get older and get into less things, right?
Yeah. I love this.
We'll move into this area. This is really cool. This is definitely one of the spots that was inspired by NJ Basements, finished basements, whatever it is. So what do you do there, babe? We're worrying about Evie right now. Sorry, guys.
It's like an island / bar area, and we plan on putting our, I guess, bar stools that we have at the island upstairs down here because we got the wrong height. It wound up working perfectly at the island just because of the fact that, come here, baby, of the fact that the kids are so little and they're the ones who eat there, but we've actually been eating a lot at the round dining room table now.
Evie's on the stairs. We already showed the stairs, babe.
So, for the 110th time, we ordered the same exact chairs that we have upstairs at the kitchen island for down here, or actually vice versa, because we're taking the kitchen island chairs, putting them down here, because they will be the proper height, since we ordered the wrong size, but it wound up working out perfectly, because it was like the perfect height for the kids. So yeah, literally same exact stools from Serena and Lily. Right,
so then you can pull stools right up to there, eat, drink, whatever, and then the viewing area, this is like my favorite part right here, is right there. The TV, obviously that big box right there, and it still needs to go up on the wall, but how beautiful is that feature wall?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
The challenge of recording this video. Alright, so if you're not sitting at the bar top there, you got the couch here that also obviously looks right into this really, really cool feature wall viewing area. It's got the sconces on the wall. I just learned how to say that word, sconces. And just look at all the detail. Like, he really took his time, made sure that everything matched up with the trim up top. Just everything on this wall is just beautiful and perfect, and then something really cool about this. So it looks like just an ordinary part of the wall, but our storage is actually right through here. Don't judge us on the storage because we still have to get down here and actually organize this, but it's not too bad and left us really quite a bit of storage. Also access to all the, you know, HVAC and all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna bore you with that, but that is really cool. Uh-oh, I think I locked Rai in there. Rai? Come on. What are you doing?
It sound white, boy.
Then kind of right adjacent to this viewing area is our bathroom down here. We did decide to put an entire, you know, full bath. So we've got the shower, picked out all really nice looking gold details and everything. All the trimmings are this nice gold. And Tiff's gonna go ahead and like decorate and clean all of this because everything's still got a little bit of dust to it, but love the way this came out. The tile and everything throughout is just really, really nice.
It sound right, boys.
Alright, then walking a little bit toward the other way. Again, wrap these columns just to make them look really, really
So
nice and finished. You want to tell us about these big tables here?
Okay, so these look a little bit extra, but I got 2 of them, and we have to find some like higher up chairs, stools to go with them. But I like how on the sides here they have like little cubbies and all of that. We can put some toys in here. This was supposed to be like a second playroom, but I also have it as a backup like homeschool room in case we need to homeschool ever. And then what else? Oh, like the kids, they love doing Play-Doh, kinetic sand. Since we just got a new dining room table, I'd love for them to just keep that to either the island or this area. So this is like the perfect, they're actually called craft tables. This is perfect, even for like my DIYs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
They are kind of big.
Beautiful, and we get our island back and our dining room table back, and no more ruining those with crafts. But also, look how cool this wall is, guys. We wanted to do as much as we could to kind of like, I don't know, make this space really modern and just feel really, I don't know, just different than the rest of the house. And we definitely achieved that. I love this dark color, the paint color again. Same as the island and the stairs. I gotta figure out what that's called so I can tell you guys.
This is we're using the powder room too, right?
Very close. I know that one's called Soot by Benjamin Moore, but.
Let's show them the guest room first before the gym. The gym
Yes.
is probably like one of my
Gym is
favorite
right behind me, but we're gonna go check out the guest room. All right, so this is my mom's room.
Yeah, again,
Or
everything is
any
very
guest.
undecorated. So you guys give me all your decorating ideas in the comments. So you can show off.
We did throw a bed in here just for now, just because we needed to get
We
the
ordered the bed and everything for, you know.
boxes and the mattress and everything out of the guest in the, where was it? In the
For the garage.
office, the garage and the office. You can see they're still doing some touch up. There's some areas around this window and things. So this is the egress window. It's nice because it kind of like lets a little light in here. You have to have a window and a bedroom in a basement. I love that it has the molding up top. He just like really made everything feel really finished.
And the shelf door is awesome.
Yep, even down to this little, I don't even know what's back there, radon or something is back here. And instead of just making it like a regular door, you know, he made it into a really cool bookshelf door, kind of hidden door. So that is really, really awesome. I think he still has to finish that a little bit. And then we did the raised electrical, you know, outlets so that when we put a TV there, it makes sense. There's no wires hanging down. So we kind of tried to think of everything. Last but not least, the gym. This little girl has been crazy. But look at how beautiful this gym is, guys. This is like one of the main reasons why we wanted the basement finished. We wanted a place to come and work out. It's actually not completely done because these hinges right here are actually not the right size. And then as you can see, there's no real handles on the doors. They sent the wrong size hardware for that. So those get put on, it'll look even better, but, oh, and missing a panel of glass for the mirror. But it's everything that we could imagine in a gym, home gym. We just need to start using it. The kids have been really, really good, you know, not messing with the glass at this point. They don't even really come in here, but plenty of space for us. We got some new equipment. Our other equipment, Tiff has to definitely do a deep clean on because it's been sitting in the garage for a while. And it's just feels really, really good to know that we have everything that we need to work out in here. Again, the raised outlets so that we can plug in a TV, and just a really cool view out to there. I can imagine the kids doing crafts, playing games, and then we're working out in here. And it just feels really good, guys.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Your time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Honestly, we don't need much, but we absolutely love the way that that turned out. When I was a trainer and managed a fitness center, I would have loved to just have this exact type of setup. It's literally all that you need, and we're feeling so blessed. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it inspired you to work toward, you know, saving up for your dream basement or your dream gym or whatever you guys are aspiring to change in your home. It's a lot of work that goes into it. It's a lot of time, but once it's done, it feels so good. Make sure you guys check out RG Signature Homes. I'll put it right here on screen. It's RG Signature Homes, and Romeo did an amazing job. We plan on having him do a lot of other areas in the house. He's currently working on our mud room and our powder room upstairs, so it's just gonna be a total transformation. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this basement. Popcorn movie night's coming soon right there. Excuse me. Say bye-bye, Az. She's not stopping for anything. Stairs?
She's like, I'm going
You
to
got
go
it.
up the stairs and play in the dog water. Exactly.